Now, let's look at examples of reflective reasoning. And financial management is a fantastic way to do that. In financial analysis, financial management, we have a lot of tools, a lot of framework, a lot of techniques, such as sensitivity analysis, Monte Carlo simulation, Bayesian modeling, machine learning, which are all ways to analyze the risk and the reward associated with taking a certain decision. And this is exactly what happens when you are in deep reflective reasoning. You leverage these well-crafted methodologies to be able to navigate the risk that is in your environment. That is very, very different from reflexive reasoning. When you live in the world of reflexive reasoning, for instance, in management consulting, you don't have to navigate that much risk. You have to navigate uncertainty. You do not know how to quantify properly the reward and the risk associated with the different decisions that you take. And you therefore naturally develop heuristics that are very, very useful to guide your decision under the massive amount of uncertainty that there is. This is why consultants at top-tier consulting firm always, at any point of time, whether at a client meeting or internal meeting, drops the sentence, let's be very 80-20 on this, let's be biased to action, let's have strong opinions weekly held, let's have an answer for our clients. When these are essentially explicit display of heuristics that management consultants use, and they are very, very useful in many situations where you cannot have a proper quantification of the risk and the reward. You have to deal with uncertainty in one way or another, and that's what allows you to move forward.